Namaste, beautiful folks. When we talk about family, we have to talk about the family lounge. That's one of the most significant space in a home. It's where family come together to share feelings, discussion of day-to-day activities, and connect on matters of common interest. But did you know that the placement of family lounge in your home can influence these interactions? Indian Vastu emphasizes that the energy of the zone where your lounge is located can shape the family discussion relationship, and overall harmony. Let's explore how different zones impact the energy and the purpose of your family lounge. North Zone, a lounge here encourages discussion over career and growth. Family members tend to value advice from one another on professional matters. However, this placement may also make them more calculative in the relationship. Northeast zone. In this zone, family members become more cautious about health and are likely to adopt better habits and routines. Northeast. This is a zone of introspection. Placing a lounge here encourages spiritual discussion and brainstorming. Family often come up with the new ideas to solve problems or to achieve goals when they gather in the space. East Northeast zone. A lounge here promotes relaxation after a tiring day. This zone helps family members spend quality time together and recharge. East zone. Discussion in this zone often resolve around social life and comparison with others. Family members may discuss neighbors, lifestyle differences, and social growth. East Southeast Zone. This zone placement, East Southeast Zone. This placement may lead to over analyzing and arguments. Even a minor issue may cause a big disagreement, creating imbalance among the family member. Let's talk about Southeast Zone. Discussion here can become little heated, although love and affection may remain in place, but it may lead to conflicts among the family members. South Southeast Zone. A lounge in this zone will strengthen the bond. It fosters positivity, confidence among the family member, helping them derive strength from each other's company. South Zone. This zone is a good spot for relaxation. Family members prefer napping or unwinding there rather than engaging in a heating discussion. Conversation here often end up with a mutual appreciation. South Southwest Zone. A lounge in this zone may lead to disinterest in a deep family interaction. Conversation may often lack resolution or meaningful conclusion. Southwest Zone. This is a powerful placement for a lounge, specifically and specially for fostering respect. Elders may use this place to install or instill the family values and strengthen bonds with the younger members. West Southwest Zone. This zone encourages knowledge sharing. Family members are likely to engage in meaningful discussion that expands their understanding and help them grow together. West Zone. A lounge here focuses on discussion on materialistic things or materialistic matters such as saving, profit, and wealth. It makes family members view their relationship as an asset. West Northwest Zone. This zone is ideal for emotional release. Family members can share their feeling freely, although excessive sharing might lead to an overly emotional atmosphere. Let's come to Northwest Zone, the zone of support. A lounge here ensures timely support from family member during the critical times, especially financial assistance. Every zone has its own unique energy, and understanding this influences allows you to align your family lounge with your family needs. While this placement can guide the energy flow, remember that the bonds within your family are what truly define your home. Through Vastu, you can create a space that not only feels welcoming but also nature's harmony, understanding, and love among the family member. So, next time you plan or renovate your home, consider the energy of your lounge. It's more than just a room, it's a heart of your family connection.